What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Hammond's House Cooking Show. I'm your host, Ariel Hammonds. All right, so just a couple of quick tips for tackling the nutrition challenge that starts on Monday. The biggest thing is those 800 grams of fruits and vegetables. So all you're gonna really need for it is a handy dandy food scale. So you don't need one that's this fancy. Just make sure that it's digital. You don't want one of those little ones with the needle on it, like the old school grocery store ones. You'll hate your life. Please don't buy one of those. Mine's fancy. It has like the nutrition facts on there because I'm a psychopath, but you won't need it. Okay, so first thing we're gonna talk about is you must peel and core your produce before you weigh it. So if you have an orange, get rid of all the skin. If you have an apple, slice it, get rid of the core. If you have a banana, which we're gonna use as the example right here, peel this sucker because you're not gonna eat the peel. At least I hope you wouldn't. Okay, so how do I do this? First thing I'm gonna do, turn on my food scale. And we're gonna see the difference that the peel makes here, right? So I'm gonna put my bowl on here. I'm going to zero out my scale. So if you wanna zoom in on it, you can. Okay, so my bowl obviously weighs a lot of grams, right? So we're going to zero it out. Oh wait, just kidding. That was the wrong button. Functioning from the opposite right here. So 0. God, okay. So my banana with a peel weighs 162 grams. So what I'm gonna wanna do is first peel your banana. Throw this on there, whoa-bow. So my true amount that I'm actually only gonna be eating is 101 grams. Pretty simple, right? Oh, but what if I wanna eat something else with my banana, like some blueberries? Oh. So you can add your blueberries to this so you have one big gram amount, but if you like to nerd out and know exactly how many grams of blueberries you're eating, just hit your 0 button again. Throw some blueberries on there. Ah. As you can see, and I'm good. 80 grams of blueberries to go with my, what was it, like 100 grams? Yeah, what things look like for example, I know that this is 100 grams of blueberries. How do I know? Because I've weighed out these 100 grams of blueberries 600 times in my life. Wanna see? Find out? Wow! Nah! Close enough, see? So the point is, don't waste precious time and energy aching over whether it's gonna be perfect or not. You'll have a general idea of what 100 grams of blueberries looks like after the first couple days of doing it. So don't forget fun things like salsa. As long as it's vegetables only, doesn't have a bunch of hidden sugar or anything in it, counts towards your 800 grams. So how do I weigh my salsa? Let's use your imagination. Pretend I have about 3 tacos in this bowl right here. I'm gonna put some salsa on those tacos. Make sure your scale is zeroed out. And then just throw your salsa or your tomato sauce or your pickles or olives, all that stuff counts. Throw it on top of your food, weigh it out. I got 44 grams of salsa that counts towards your daily goal. Simple. All right, so the last thing I want to talk about is protein, because this one can be a little bit tricky, and this one's only going to really require you to read your food labels. So like I have 1 pound of ground beef right here, and notice that the serving size is 4 ounces or 112 grams by weight of good old-fashioned meat. So I know that there are 4 4-ounce servings in here, so I can eyeball it. Or if you want to measure it out to make sure it's 4 ounces or those 112 grams, cool. But we're not going to be tracking this gram. We're going to be tracking this gram down here. So I know that if I have 4 ounces, I have 23 grams of protein in my serving right there. And if you're making something that's like a big dish that has 1 whole pound of beef in there and you throw other things like rice or beans or something, just take your whole recipe and divide it by 4, and then I know there's roundabouts 23 grams of protein in that meal. Hopefully that clears things up. If you guys have any other questions, please post stuff on this page. Ask any one of the coaches. We are here to help. You are not in this alone. Good luck.